Boiling down the basics. Understanding rapid boil. Hello, language enthusiasts and culinary curious alike. Today, we're going to dive into a steamy topic that often pops up in both English conversations and in the kitchen. We're looking at the phrase, rapid boil. Whether you're a budding chef or just hungry for knowledge, understanding this term is essential. So, let's turn up the heat on our English skills and get cooking. When we talk about a rapid boil, we're describing a vigorous state of liquid where the water is bubbling and steaming intensely. This isn't a gentle simmer. A rapid boil is when the water is rolling and producing continuous bubbles that can't be calmed, even when stirring. Why is this important? Well, in cooking, certain recipes will instruct you to bring a liquid to a rapid boil to ensure that the temperature is high enough for cooking something quickly or thoroughly, like pasta or broth. Understanding the phrase, rapid boil, is easier when you know the stages of boiling water. 1. Bubbles at the bottom. This is when small bubbles start forming at the bottom of the pan, but they don't yet rise to the surface. 2. Simmer. Small bubbles begin to break the surface regularly, but it's not yet a boil. 3. Full boil. Bubbles are steadily breaking the surface. 4. Rapid boil. Here we have large bubbles rising quickly to the surface, creating a rolling motion that is unmistakable. Apart from cooking, rapid boil can be used metaphorically. For instance, if a situation is escalating quickly, someone might say, "Things are coming to a rapid boil." It implies that emotions or actions are heating up and could soon be out of control, much like water that's boiling rapidly. In many English-speaking cultures, cooking terms often find their way into everyday language. Understanding these phrases not only helps in following a recipe but also gives insight into the culture and idioms of English speakers. Knowing terms like rapid boil can make you feel more at home in the language, whether you're watching a cooking show or having a conversation. And that's the hot topic of rapid boil, fully unpacked. I hope this video has clarified what this common cooking instruction means and how it's used beyond the kitchen. Keep boiling down your language learning goals, and you'll be cooking up fluent English conversations in no time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tasty tidbits of the English language.